special today.
It is so cool that we are here.
People are here.
So cool.
You're all I've been thinking of. Cold when you feel tired and alone. What's it take to make you strong? What's it take to make you strong? I was running, hiding, fighting, trying to find a place to go. My only love. I was fighting, felt divided, searching for a path to follow. My only love. Oh, you were with me all along. Wake me up to sunny side. Pick me up to make me strong. My only love, my only love.
We're cheating the system. We're farther east than we've ever been. Even up by the easternmost point statue. That's up there. Huh.
Yep.
Okay, we are back in the bus. It's so cold outside, so windy, but we are back in the bus from Quoddy State. Quoddy? Quoddy State Park. So as you saw, it is the easternmost point of the U.S. And it was so fun to be able to go there and say that we've done that. What a bucket list item. So we're super glad we decided to. We did not have this in our plans. Like we said on our last video, we didn't know really what our plans were for today. And it was still really foggy. And so instead of staying in Acadia, we decided this wasn't too far. When will we ever get to be here again? So we made our way to the most eastern point and get to explore this little town today. As you can see, we've had such a fun time here at the state park. There's some walking trails around, a cute little lighthouse. The cliffs are beautiful to be able to see the ocean, and even some islands out there, whether they're owned by the US or Canada. We don't know. It still was a little foggy, but not near as bad. It's just so beautiful to see. So we're so glad we chose to come here. The state park is in LUBEC. I hope I'm saying this right. LUBEC. Now we're going into the town and kind of to check out what they have there. See the buildings, see the ocean and the views, and I think we'll be able to see Canada too. So it'll be fun to explore the little town for a little bit. Yeah, off to LUBEC.
Are you thinking about us? Do you remember how to trust? Do you remember how it was? I was running, hiding, fighting, trying to find a place to go. My only love. I was fighting, felt divided, searching for a path to follow. My only love. Oh, you were with me all along. Wake me up to sun.
We're in Canada. Just kidding. we're in Maine, but that actually is Canada.
Yeah, we can't go there for another 2 weeks, and we're not waiting. So
Borders are closed to us.
this is good enough for now, I guess.
This says United States International Boundary. So technically, we were standing over there. We were in Canada.
Quebec is so fun. What a fun little town. We were able to see seals, see the ocean, see Canada. Technically, we were in Canada, so 2 countries down, right? We have honestly loved Maine so much. Like I said before, one of my favorite states. It has it all. The greenery, the pine trees, some mountains, some hikes, a national park, the ocean. It has a lot of aspects to it, and we have loved our time here. And it's cool at night and during the day sometimes, but we've missed having cold nights. Utah, it gets really cold at night because it's very dry. There's no humidity, and like out here, it's like 90 degrees at night, and it's hot in our bus. So we are grateful for everything Maine has offered us. We are now going to make our way east and back towards Utah way. Sadly, it's time to leave Maine, but like I said, we've loved it. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We are so grateful for you guys that are supporting us and liking and commenting. So make sure to share. Catch us on our next video. We're super excited to see what else is out there. Date night at a familiar place.
Sorry. We're at Quoddy State Park.
I wasn't gonna tell them that. That's a big old teaser.
The old United States. Old chipper tooth.